Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files with SendAnywhere, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring files with SendAnywhere, first, open your web browser. Type SendAnywhere in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official SendAnywhere website link. Once on the home page, locate the Send option at the top of the page. Click on Send to initiate the file transfer process. Next, either drag and drop the files you want to send into the designated area or click the Select Files button to browse your computer. After selecting your files, you will see a progress indicator as they upload. Once the upload is complete, a 6-digit key will be generated for your transfer. Make sure to note down this key or keep the screen open as you will need it for the recipient. Now, inform the recipient about the 6-digit key. For the recipient, they need to visit the SendAnywhere website. On the home page, click on the Receive option at the top. They will find a field to enter the 6-digit key. The recipient should enter the key and click Receive. The files will begin downloading automatically to their device. Once the download is finished, you're done transferring files. For mobile users, download the SendAnywhere app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and follow similar steps to send your files. Enjoy the ease of transferring files with SendAnywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.